Alright, what's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. We have a very exciting video today because we're going to be doing some work on the truck. Now this truck is about 11, maybe 12 years old, so it is time to update the suspension. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be installing the, not installing, but we're going to be unboxing the Kryptonite Stage 3 leveling kit, which is going to consist of the upper control arms, some ball joints, some bushings, and yeah, I am super excited to unbox this thing and see what it looks like. I've heard a lot of great things, and a big shout out to Kryptonite for working with me on this project. Now with the Stage 3 kit, being that I haven't unboxed it, I believe it comes with obviously the UCAs, the ball joints, bushings, the Fox 2.0 shocks, and maybe a couple other things. But yeah, I am super excited to get this truck leveled out. And then of course, since we got the truck leveled, we're going to be also getting some rims and tires. Comment down below if you think you know what I'm going to be putting on this setup. I'm super excited to yeah, like I said, the suspension is super old, so it rides a little bit rough. So hopefully, I've heard, you know, good things about the Fox 2.0s and the Blistine 5100s. But yeah, let's get to unboxing today's Kryptonite products. Thank you guys so much once again for sending me out some goodies. All right, let's get right into unboxing what Kryptonite sent out for the Duramax. Shipping time wasn't too bad. I maybe waited like, I think it was like right at a week and a half to get all three of these boxes here, so it really wasn't too terribly bad. Alrighty, so in box number one, let's see what we have here. Okay, some stickers. Oh, nice. They sent out a diesel magazine. That was nice of them. Alright, so as you can see here, we have the Fox shocks. Sweet. Let's open one of them up. See what we have here, just to get an idea of what they look like. There you have it. I am super excited to be upgrading the suspension on a my 11-year-old truck. So of course we have the front, and then we have the rears along with the keys. Okay, there's one there, there's one there. That's it for that box. Alright, let's get into box number two. Here. Nice, I love the way they did this. Congratulations on your purchase. Well, I appreciate it. Some more Kryptonite products that we will definitely be getting in the future. Oh man, this is awesome. You guys gotta take a look at this. Alright, so here is the upper control arms. And so what I did was I got their Stage 3 leveling kit for now. So that is what I'm going to be rocking with. Oh wow, those are nice and beefy. Let's see. Oh man, these upper control arms are super freaking heavy. Yeah, had a lot of people recommend that I run Kryptonite products, so that's exactly what we're going to do. So now what we're going to do is, since I've unboxed this, we're going to take these upper control arms and we're going to go get them powder coated. And if you've been following the truck build, you should know exactly what color we're going to get them powder coated. Alrighty, last but not least, let's check out this Kryptonite banner that they sent out. Definitely going to be rocking this in the garage for sure. I think it's a 3x6 foot banner, so it's pretty freaking big. Oh yeah, that's gonna look nice. That's gonna look nice in the garage. Sweet. Can't wait to hang that bad boy up. There's a little sneak peek at my Keltec 15000. Anyways, it's for another day. Sweet. Thank you guys so much for sending this out. So let's go ahead and get those UCAs, upper control arms, dropped off, and let's get those bad boys powder coated. All right. Time to head over to the powder coater and get these upper control arms painted. Hopefully this can fit in here. She's tight, but she fits. Let's go. Found a nice spot for the new Kryptonite banner in the garage. Thank you guys so much for sending that out. I wish there was room over here, but I was gonna put it over here where there's an outlet, and then this kind of would mess up the theme I'm going over here for license plates. But once again, thank you Kryptonite for sending out this garage banner. So I have dropped off the leveling kit to get powder coated. Zach did a very good job. I have yet to see it, so we're gonna walk into the garage and take a look at my man's work. I am super excited to see what we got here. Oh man, that looks pretty badass. Cannot wait to see this on the actual truck. He did a very good job, and I'm definitely going to get him to do some other parts for my truck. There's actually a couple crazy builds in here. I'm actually going to try to get my truck on that lift and see if I can install my leveling kit on there. So that is going to do it for today's video. In a future video, obviously, we are going to be putting on the Kryptonite leveling kit. And then shout out to Kryptonite also. They actually do a freaking amazing job boxing this stuff. Zach said the same thing. He was actually pretty impressed. And yeah, so that is going to do it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for stopping in to the channel. And if you're stopping to the channel for the first time, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Even if you didn't like today's video, please give it a big thumbs up. And as always, we're going to give Zach a fist bump. Thanks, man, for the powder coating. You did a great job,
man.